Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at Webull, and I'm going to walk you through what it's actually like to use the platform. If you've been thinking about trying it out, or you're just curious whether it's worth your time, this will give you a simple, honest breakdown. So let's start with the overall experience. When you open Webull for the first time, it feels clean, modern, and pretty easy to navigate. It doesn't overwhelm you, but it still gives you those advanced tools you'd normally only see on more professional trading platforms. Whether you're on your phone or on a computer, the app works smoothly and everything loads fast. Setting up an account is straightforward, and one thing people really like is the paper trading feature. You can practice buying and selling with fake money, which is great if you're a beginner or just testing a strategy. When you're ready to trade with real funds, deposits go through quickly and there are no commissions on stocks, ETFs, or options. You'll still pay the small regulatory fees everyone pays, but nothing from Webull itself. Now, one of the biggest strengths of Webull is the charting system. You get multiple time frames, lots of indicators, drawing tools, and layouts you can customize however you like. If you're learning technical analysis or you already trade using charts, this part really stands out. You also get real-time data, watch lists, market screeners, and price alerts, so you can track everything easily. There are a couple of limitations. Webull doesn't offer mutual funds or bonds, and it's not the best platform if you want long-term planning tools like automatic portfolios or in-depth retirement features. Customer support is mostly through email, so responses can take some time. Overall, Webull is a solid choice if you're an active trader, someone who enjoys technical analysis, or a beginner who wants powerful tools without a complicated learning curve. It's clean, it's free to use for most things, and it gives you a lot of control without feeling overwhelming. All right, that's it for this review. If this helped you out, make sure to check out more content like this, and thanks for hanging out with me today. Catch you in the next one.